welcome to our channel. So in this short video, we are going to understanding how many types of the order you can place via your broker on your orders, right? So let's take an example of a particular company and you want to buy that particular share. Let's take an example of for trading purpose. So the first thing that you can do is to execute your order on the market price, whatever the price is right now going on. You can put that order, or you can make a limit order, or you can add a stop loss order also. And so let's get started. So these are the main three orders that you should know. Beside, there is a super order you can put up, and there is also a lots of other types of order you can put in the Indian stock market while you are trading. So let's moving forward. So first and foremost, the most important thing is the market order. So before understanding, let's read out what's that written. When you place a trade, you need to choose an order type to tell the exchange how you want to trade to be executed. The first is market order. A market order buys or sells a security immediately at the best available market price. It offers fast executions, but the final price may differ slightly due to market fluctuations. So let's take an example of a certain company. Let's say ABC company. You want to sell the company share. So if you want to sell 100 or 1000 shares, so you need also thousands buyer, right? So a transactions is not completed without a buyer or seller. The broker is actually used to meet the buyer and seller both, right? So if you want to sell some certain amount of shares, you also need buyers, and similarly if you want to buy a certain amount of shares, you also need seller, right? So the stock market is very vast, that is why you don't even realize this. And the market and whenever we set a market order, so it gets immediately clicked on, right? So that is happening because of the vast volume in the Indian stock market. But if you look up into some cryptocurrencies, some coins which barely traded, so you will see the liquidity, you will see the problems of liquidities. So there is a least amount of people so who actually buy or sells there. So that is not actually happening in the Indian stock market, right? So if you want to trade, if you want to execute the order at the same time at the market price, whatever the market price is going on, that is called as a market price, right? So the second thing comes as limit order. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. So let's take an example of some certain company, and the company's current price is 100 rupee, and you want to buy the company share from 95 rupees. So you can go to the limit order, and you can put the amount, put the price. When the price triggered, then your order will be automatically executed. The trade will only be executed if the market reaches to chosen price. If 95 never comes in the day, then your order will not executed. Be chill about it. If the price comes 95, then your order will be executed no matter after that where the price is going, right? So the last thing is a stop loss order. A stop loss order automatically sells or buys a security when it reaches a predetermined price, helping traders limit potential losses and manage risks effectively. So stop loss order is most used, you can say. So stop loss means that you will stop your loss at a certain price. So if the certain amount, if the certain price hit it, then you want to stop of your loss. So that is actually mean the stop loss order. So in the limit order you cannot put a stop loss, right? So stop loss, in the stop loss order you can put the target price, you can put the stop loss price, and you can also put when you want to sell or buy the shares, right? A stop loss order automatically sells or buys a security. It automatically sells or buys a security. That means you have to predetermine the price when it reaches the predetermined price. So basically stop loss order is the mix of limit order and the target and stop loss prices, whatever you set, right? Helping traders limited potential losses and manage risks efficiently. So I hope you get it. So for the summary, market order is something uh, which is executed in the market price immediately. Limit order is something if the price heated that if the current market price is heated that price, then your order will be executed, either not. And the stop loss order is something your if the your set price is heated, then your order will be executed. And also you can uh, you can set your losses and profit, how much profit you want to get in the same order. So that is called as a stop loss order, right? So I hope you get it, and if you understand something from this video, you can like that video and subscribe our channel and stay with us. I will see you in the next video. Bye.